We bought a Titan quick connect for our Kubota L3010, and we decided to make a video. I couldn't find any on how to install it, so we're trying to help. And this is one way to do it. We decided it would probably be easier just to cut that section of the bucket out. It could be easily replaced by the quick connect, and then just have it. Notice the braces in the middle. We had to cut those away. I got those hands on there. That's Doug Wing. This is a picture of where we have the bucket cut away, and then I pinned them back onto the front of the tractor. Later we decided that we need to trim that some more so we could weld the quick connect plate. That's the receiver that we're mounting now on the bucket, setting it up, just making sure everything looked good. There's a little gap at the bottom. We fixed that by adding a piece of mild steel, just that bucket was pretty thin, so we decided to cut away to get to the media stuff and weld it for the nail part of the quick connect. He's welding it on there now. It was super simple and easy to do. It did take an afternoon though. We put about 4 hours in it. It's not the quickest thing. You got to have a few tools. I read in the reviews that you couldn't get to one of the almites on the quick connect, and I totally agree with that after getting one and looking at it. It was a pretty simple fix. We just took the torch, measured it down, burnt a hole so we could get our grease gun in there. Of course, it was sent to me painted red, so I got to scuff it down and paint it orange. Then we cut away some of the quick connect also. That's Doug cutting the holes in it right now so we could get to our grease fitting. Thanks for watching.